Good morning, everybody. Scott Mayboy here, out on the beach. Hope you're having a great day. So far, so good. Just wanted to point out a post. I haven't distributed it widely, but I did put it on my page and a couple other places. I got a call yesterday from a financial advisor who I work with. I've known him for a long time. One of his clients called him up and said, do I need to be on Medicare? I'm 71 years old, but I have an employer plan, so I figured I was all set. But he came across some information, or somebody told him something, and the fact of the matter is, his employer has less than 20 employees, so he is required to have Medicare. And now that he's 71 years old and hasn't had it for the past 6 years, not only is he required to have Medicare because the employer's plan has less than 20 people in it, he owes a penalty. And the penalty, once it's assessed, is lifetime. And that will be on his Part B premium. So the Part B premium will be increased, and his Part D, the drug premium, will be increased. And those are lifetime increases. That penalty, once it's assessed, is forever. The only way out of it, if you don't win your appeal, is to go on Mass Health, and then you get it waived. So thinking you're okay, assuming you know the rules, assuming you got half the story where, hey, I'm on an employer plan, I'm all good, doesn't necessarily mean you are. I was invited into a page or a post on Sunday. A bunch of people, a guy had a Medicare question. All of his friends and family are offering different types of advice. You can do this, you can do that. A lot of it's just wrong. And not that it's not well-meaning. Certainly the people who are giving advice believe it's right to the best of their knowledge. But like I said in my post, they're not going to pay you penalty. If they give you bad advice and you end up getting stuck or getting penalized as a result of it, or you don't have adequate coverage that you thought you had, they're not stepping up and paying for it. So why wouldn't you talk to somebody who actually is certified, licensed, insured, experienced to help you out with these questions instead of throwing it out on Facebook and saying, hey, who knows how this Medicare thing works? You probably don't do that with your taxes. You probably don't do it with your financial planning. You probably didn't do it with your life insurance or your auto insurance. You spoke to somebody who's expert in these fields. It's just kind of the way it goes. The other thing I wanted to mention real quick, I am doing 2 webinars tomorrow, Medicare 101. I call it Part 1, so I'm not going to delve too deeply into supplements and advantage plans and drug plans, but kind of give you the overview, the A, B, C, Ds, and supplements of Medicare. Just so you kind of know what you need to know, what the parts are, what it costs, what's covered, what's not, and what are the potential penalties and pitfalls. So that'll be tomorrow at 11 a.m. and a repeat tomorrow at 6 p.m. So keep those in mind. If you know somebody, love to have you on the webinar. I'm going to try to, it's a Zoom webinar. I'm going to try to do it through Facebook Live too. I just have to figure that part out. And hope everyone has a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. And please get help from somebody who knows what they're talking about, not your relatives and friends and neighbors and brother-in-law and all those people. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.